children. Good morning. Children, we have completed the portions of our third term exam. Now we are going to revise for our annual exam. Shall we revise, ma? Now we shall revise the classwork note. First Roman dictation words. First one, K-I-N-G-D-O-M, kingdom. Kingdom means Rajyam. Second one, ADOPT, adopt. Adopt means தத்தெடுத்த. Third one, LEADER, leader. Leader means தலைவர். Next one, NURTURE, nurture. Nurture means வளர்ப்பு. Next one, FLOURISHED, flourished. Flourished means செழித்தது. Next one, REVERD, revered. Revered means மதிக்கப்படுபவர். Next one, DECIDE, decide. Decide means முடிவு. Next one, THRONE, throne. Throne means சிம்மாசனம். Next one, ANXIOUS, anxious. Anxious means ஆர்வம். Next one, MANURE, manure. Manure means உரம். Next one, DESTINED, destined. Destined means விதிக்கப்பட்டவை. Next one, SIGNAL, signal. Signal means சைகை. Next one, TROUBLE, trouble. Trouble means பிரச்சனை. Next one, HONEST, honest. Honest means நேர்மையான. Next one, MERCHANT, merchant. Merchant means வியாபாரி. Next one, JOURNEY, journey. Journey means பயணம். Next one, HANDLOOM, handloom. Handloom means கைத்தறி. Next one, PROFESSION, profession. Profession means தொழில். Next one, BUNCHES, bunches. Bunches means கொத்துகள். Next one, COMFORTABLE, comfortable. Comfortable means சௌகரியமான. Next one, BUNDLE, bundle. Bundle means மூட்டை. Next one, STRUGGLE, struggle. Struggle means போராட்டம். Next one, MAGICIAN, magician. Magician means மந்திரவாதி. Next one, INCIDENT, incident. Incident means நிகழ்வு. Next one, PLASTIC, plastic. Plastic means நெகிழி. Next one, FAVOURITE, favorite. Favorite means பிடித்தமான. Next one, IMPORTANT, important. Important means முக்கியமான. Next one, SUCCESS, success. Success means வெற்றி. Next one, DISABILITY, disability. Disability means இயலாமை. Next one, EDUCATION, education. Education means கல்வி. Next one, AUTHORITY, authority. Authority means பொறுப்பு. Next one, HUDDLE, huddle. Huddle means குழப்பம். Next one, PRESERVE, preserve. Preserve means பாதுகாக்க. Next one, DECORATION, decoration. Decoration means அலங்காரம். Next one, IMAGINE, imagine. Imagine means கற்பனை. Children, shall we go to the second Roman? Second Roman is Choose the correct synonyms. See the first one, revered. Synonym of revered is respected. Next one, anxious. Synonym of anxious is eager. Next one, destiny. Synonym of destiny is fate. Next one, aging. Synonym of aging is getting old. Next one, often. Synonym of often is frequently. Next one, chokes. Synonym of chokes is stops. Next one, drape. Synonym of drape is arrange loosely. Next one, yarn. Synonym of yarn is spun thread used for weaving. Next one, handloom. Synonym of handloom is a manually operated loom. Next one, similar. Synonym of similar is same. Next one, chance. Synonym of chance is opportunity. Next one, potential. Synonym of potential is talent. Next one, inspiring. Synonym of inspiring is to attract. Next one, sincere. Synonym of sincere is truthful. Next one, tackle. Synonym of tackle is to solve. Now we shall see the third Roman. Write the antonyms. First one, worthless. Antonym of worthless is worthy. Next one, gather. Antonym of gather is disperse. Next one, different. Antonym of different is same. Next one, difficult. Antonym of difficult is easy. Next one, generous. Antonym of generous is selfish. Next one, comfortable. Antonym of comfortable is uncomfortable. Next one, unique. Antonym of unique is common. Next one, natural. Antonym of natural is artificial. Next one, never. Antonym of never is always. Next one, increase. Antonym of increase is decrease. Next one, proud. Antonym of proud is humble. Next one, together. Antonym of together is separate. Next one, different. Antonym of different is similar. Next one, correct. Antonym of correct is incorrect. Next one, create. Antonym of create is destroy. Now we are going to see the Roman number 3. Answer the following. See the first question. How long did the competition take to reach the final? Children, you know the answer very well, no? Say the answer. Yes, the competition took 3 weeks to reach the final. Second question. Why did the king want a leader who knows to grow a plant? Children, can you say why does he want that kind of leader? Yes, cuties. The king wanted a leader who knows to grow a plant because that kingdom depends on agriculture. See the next question. Did the seeds given to Annie sprout? Why? Children, already we saw this one in the lesson itself, no? Yes, the answer is no. The seeds given to Annie did not sprout because those were boiled seeds. You know very well, no cuties? Boiled seeds never grow. Next question. What did Annie's parents teach her? See the answer. Annie's parents taught her to be honest. Next question. Do you think Annie will be a good leader? Why? Children, you know very well Annie will be a good leader only. Shall we see the answer, ma? Yes, I think Annie will be a good leader because she is honest. Next question. What makes him fall? See the answer. Troubles make him fall. Next question. What does Amma often say? What does Amma often say, ma? Can you say the answer? Yes, Amma often says to be honest. Next one, what will help us grow? See the answer. Honesty will help us grow. Next question, what will help you say the truth? Answer, honesty will help us to say the truth. See the next question, do you tell the truth always? Why? Children, always we should say the truth only, no? Okay, see the answer. Yes, I tell the truth always because it makes me honest. See the next question. Who lived in the old house? Who lived in the old house, ma? Yes, an old lady and her granddaughter lived in the old house. Next question. Why did the greedy merchant get angry? Kutties, the greedy merchant is a very angry person only, no? Okay, see the answer. The greedy merchant got angry so that he could pay a very less amount for the plate. Kutties, he wanted to pay a very less amount for that golden plate. So that only he showed his anger to the old lady and the granddaughter. Okay. Next question. Name the things that the good merchant offered for the plate. Children, the good merchant offered so many things for that golden plate, no? Shall we list them now? See the answer, Kutties. The good merchant offered some dishes, all his money, donkey, cart and his wares for the plate. Next question, what will you do if you have a gold plate? Very interesting question only, no, Kutties? See the answer. If I have a gold plate, I will keep it safely. See the next one. What did Bala want to learn? What did he want to learn, ma? See the answer. Bala wanted to learn many things about spinning. Next question. How did Bala help Amma and sisters? See the answer. Bala helped his Amma and sisters by rolling, pressing and packing the sarees. Will you all help your parents, ma? Yes, definitely you should help your parents. Why did Bala go to Chennai with his father? Yes, Kutties. Bala went to Chennai with his father to help him carry the bags of sarees. Next question. What did Bala teach Nitin? See the answer. Bala taught spinning to Nitin. Next question. What would you like to learn in school? Why? See the answer, Kutties. I would like to learn craft work in school so that I could make beautiful designs. Kutties, do you all like to learn craft work, ma? If you are interested, you can learn craft work during your leisure time. Okay. Next question. What does she paint? Answer. She paints the valley and hill. Next one. Does the brush bend to her will? Kutties, the brush bends to her will only, no? Okay. See the answer. Yes, the brush bends to her will. Next one. How does she move the brush? Answer. She moves the brush like a dancer. Next one. How did Mukund's mother die? See the answer. Mukund's mother was hunted by wild animals and she died. See the next one. What did his mother say in his dream? Kutties, can you guess the answer? Mukund's mother instructed him to do something in eradicating the use of plastics through his art. What incident made Mukund make a wooden drum? You know very well, no, Kutties? Mukund's father's cattle was hunted by wild animals. That incident only made him to make a wooden drum. Okay, shall we see the answer now? The hunting of the cattle by the wild animals made Mukund make a wooden drum. Next one, why was his father unable to sleep? Why, ma? Do you know the reason? Yes. Shall we see the answer? His father was unable to sleep because the losses of the animals kept increasing. That means he lost so many animals. Okay. Next one, which problem do you think you can solve with art? How? See the answer, cuties. We can solve the problem of plastic usage through craft work by making toys and crafts using palm and coconut leaves. Not only plastic usage, cuties. If we think we can solve some other problem also using our craft work. Okay. Next one, what subject did he like the most? Children, you all have your favorite subject, no? Like that, in this lesson, a boy named Karthik, his favorite subject is science. Okay, shall we see the answer? He liked science the most. Next question, how many marks did he score in his 12th board exam? How many marks did he score, ma? Do you remember? Yes, the answer is he scored more than 95% of marks in his 12th board exam. Next one, what was his dream? Answer, his dream was to study in an IIT. Next one, is there something that you will struggle for? Children, for this question, you have to give your own answer. If you struggles to get anything, you can mention here. Okay. Next one, what was Farhan's father's advice to his son? Answer, Farhan's father's advice to him was to work hard. Next one, why should a fisher wait? Children, if we want to get something, definitely we should wait, no? Like that, if a fisher wants to catch fish, he should wait. See the answer, cuties. A fisher should wait to catch fish. Next one, who wins the world at the end? Answer, one who tackles the hurdles may win the world at the end. Tackle means to solve. Hurdle means kulapangal. Children, if we want to achieve something, we should solve all the hurdles. Then only we can win the world. Okay. See the next one. What happened to a child who shuts his ears? Children, while learning, if you close your ears, what will happen? Definitely nothing will go inside your ears. Like that, see the answer. If a child shuts his ears, he won't get the chance to learn. Next one, do we worry when the progress is slow? See the answer. No, we do not worry when the progress is slow. Next one, what should we do for success? See the answer. We should persevere for success. Persevere means put efforts continuously. Next one, what was the truth finally learned by Krish? Children, finally what did Krish learn? Yes, see the answer. The truth finally learned by Krish was that he should keep trying while doing things. Next one, how can we do our work better? See the answer. We can do our work better by trying and enjoying while doing so. Children, whenever we do something, we should do that one with interest. Okay. Next one, why did he rub the circle again and again? Children, why did he do like that? You know very well, no? Yes, his little teacher, that means the circle only asked him to rub again and again. Okay. See the answer. He rubbed the circle again and again because the little teacher asked him to do so. Next one. Why was Krish worried? See the answer. Krish was worried because both the pencil and his drawing were missing. Next one. What is the one thing you will try and improve after reading the story? How? See the answer. The one thing that I will try and improve is my drawing skill. I will improve this by trying again and again. Children, if we want to do something better, we should keep trying. Okay.
Students, all of you take your English handwriting book, page number 26. Write the date 06/04/2021. Capital W. It should touch first 3 lines. Small a. It should touch center 2 lines. Small t. It should touch first 3 lines. Small e. It should touch center 2 lines. Small r. It should touch center 2 lines. And T is sleeping line. WATER water. Next word is I. It should touch center 2 lines. Yes. It should touch center 2 lines. I dot is is. Next word is precious. P. It should touch last 3 lines. R. It should touch center 2 lines. E. It should touch center 2 lines. C. It should touch center 2 lines. I. It should touch center 2 lines. O. It should touch center 2 lines. U. It should touch center 2 lines. Yes. It should touch center 2 lines. I dot precious. Precious. Water is precious. Next word is save. Capital letter S. It should touch first 3 lines. Small a. It should touch center 2 lines. Small v. It should touch center 2 lines. Small e. It should touch center 2 lines. SAVE. Save. Next word is it. I. It should touch center 2 lines. T. It should touch first 3 lines. I dot T sleeping line. IT. It. Save it. Water is precious. Save it. Students, all of you write these 3 lines, take photo and send to your class teacher.
Children, Unit 2, The Wooden Toy. This lessons answer the following. And Unit 3, Roman number 1, Dictation words. Roman number 2, choose the correct synonyms. Roman number 3, write the antonyms. And answer the following of Unit 3. All these Romans you have to write home test. After completing, take photo and send it to your class teacher. Okay. Thank you, Kutties. Bye. Prepare well for your exam. All the best, Kutties.